everyone, I am at home. I just got here a little bit ago, but I am dealing with a mess right now. As you guys know, today is, well, I didn't say it, but today is Friday the 18th of December, and it was like my official last day in my apartment before we like move all the big things out. So all of the like little things basically are home now, and this is what my room is currently looking like, and this isn't even half of it. So we are dealing with this disaster, as you guys, well, if you saw that video a week ago from when I left, I put all these clothes on the bed here before I left because I didn't have hangers yet, and now I have all my hangers, Christmas presents, and we're dealing with a whole suitcase full of clothes, more hangers. In this closet, I had all of my clothing that I was going to be selling on Poshmark, and then also this is like off-season clothing that I brought home like a while ago, and my sister's, well, my bridesmaid's dress, but for my sister's wedding. But in this wardrobe, I just organized it, and I figured this would be a good spot for all of, I thought I was going to put my coats here, but there's certainly not enough room for all of my coats, so I'm putting all of the clothing that I'm going to be selling on Poshmark in here for now. So that's where that belongs. And then right now, I think I'm going to go through and organize this to make room for all of this. Now we tackle my sister's closet, which is going to be where my everyday clothes are going to be. Most likely that's kind of the plan I'm going for here. And she has this little rack down here that I think I'm going to hang jeans on. Hello everyone, so today is Sunday, December 20th, and we are beginning the actual process of renovating my sister's bedroom. So I'm gonna take you guys along with. I'll show you what we did so far. We have music playing here. I opened one of my Christmas presents a little early, but was fitting for this moment. So I just went around and then took off all of the switch covers and like the covers for the outlets, and we moved out some of the furniture, and yeah, we're gonna start over here with the primer, tape it all up, and get going. We went around, and well, my mom went around because she's the edging taping master, and taped all the edges, and then we just are laying the blankets down. We are back with our second coat of primer, covering it up pretty well. The black shouldn't be an issue, but the zebra, you can obviously see that it needs a lot more primer. All right, we are back with day 2 of painting. I don't know if I showed you the update, but as you guys know, we painted 2 coats of primer yesterday, so this is how it turned out. I should have showed you in the daylight, but it looks really good. It covered it really well, and we are going to now move all of this over and the bed over, and start with this side of the room now and do 2 coats over here. So I don't know how many coats we'll get tonight, maybe just 1, but we'll see. So that's what we're working with now. Second coat of primer on the other half of the walls, so I look rough. But we will come back tomorrow most likely, and we are going to paint the ceiling first and then start on the actual paint on the walls. And we are planning to do, so we did 2 coats of primer, we're planning to do 1 coat of paint and 1 coat of paint on the ceiling. So the ceiling's already good, it's like white, but we just want it to be all the same color. So yeah, we're thinking about doing that tomorrow, and I will come back for another video and do like part 2 of that then. So my sister's coming home either Wednesday or Thursday, and this is her room, so we need to have, or actually no, she's coming home Thursday or Friday, I believe. So I think that's her plan. So we need to have it done before then, and I do believe we are on track to have it done by then. So I will film everything from here on out, but this is the end of part 1, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for part 2. Or the day after that or something, I don't know. I'll see you guys very soon for part 2. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you can come back, see the reveal, see it be put together, see the move out vlogs, everything. There's just a lot going on. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.